Ancient traditions are not relics of the past. With their holistic worldview, they are living systems of wisdom, offering pathways to harmony, sustainability, and conflict resolution. The International Center for Cultural Studies was founded in 1997 with a simple yet profound vision to create a world where ancient traditions and indigenous cultures are valued for their intrinsic wisdom. Its motto, Mitakuye Oyasin, was adopted from the Lakota Nation of North America. It means, we are all related. Founded in Nagpur, ICCS began as an academic exploration of cultural similarities between Bharat and indigenous peoples. Today, ICCS brings together elders, scholars and practitioners from over 60 ancient traditions from across the globe.
ICCS works in 3 different verticals: to establish harmony, brotherhood, peace, love, etc., so that the world can progress.
ICCS Bharat has over a dozen active chapters. Regular activities such as webinars, presentations, expert talks, social media promotions, etc., are conducted by them. Research and revitalization is at the heart of its work. In Arunachal Pradesh, Research Institute of World's Ancient Traditions, Cultures and Heritage is dedicated to preserving ethnic cultures and promoting sustainable development. ICCS engages with contemporary academia through collaborations with universities, short-term courses, conferences, and its international research journal, IJWatch.
ICCS has prepared many certificate courses on these ancient traditions. And we have also done MOUs with different universities. We run these courses on different ancient traditions such as Armenian traditions, in Baltic tradition, in Indonesian tradition, traditions of Thailand and Malaysia, traditions of Japan.
Through its Africa Studies Center, ICCS explores African indigenous traditions using a comparative lens. The recently inaugurated Digital Museum and Library in New Delhi stands as a living archive where the past speaks directly to the future. The 9th Triennial International Conference and Gathering of Elders of Ancient Traditions will be hosted from 29th January to 3rd February 2027 in Surat, Gujarat, bringing elders of diverse traditions together.
Local wisdom and knowledge of those elders, whether they are from Guatemala or from Maori, New Zealand, or they are from reservations area of North America, they do have certain common understanding about life, nature, and process of philosophy. They do have some common. In the last 2000 years, you can say in total, they have lost many of their values, and these value systems are now required in our growth of humanity. In the forthcoming meeting in Surat, Gujarat, in 2027, in January, early February, we'll have a gathering of 400 people from different groups of indigenous peoples from all the continents.
Together, let us rekindle and rejuvenate the kinship among the ancient traditions and cultures of the world.